Hello, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I haven't filmed anything for such a long time, and actually a lot of things changed. Today I think I just want to do like a yapping session. I was actually filming throughout the whole week, like bits and pieces, but I haven't actually had time to film something proper, big, any activity, because I'm basically just working and doing my own stuff. Since 2026 started, I started to learn new language. I started to be more consistent with the gym sessions, eat healthier, to cook more. Actually, it's been 3 weeks already since I haven't eaten meat. Like, I'm still eating fish, but it's not something, like, it's not my goal to be vegan, to be vegetarian. It's just something that happened randomly, very randomly. I just one day realized that I haven't eaten meat. I'm happy about what I'm doing now, how I'm feeling now. I don't want to jinx it, but I never felt better than I do feel for the past like 3-4 months. My mind never been that healthy, motivated, that inspired, that wanting to live. I just arrived after work. I'm sorry I'm without like makeup, and yeah, I'm just looking a little bit shitty. I've been like really into cooking and trying different things. 2 days ago I made ramen with tofu and with shiitake. I've been baking a little bit, like apple pie, apple crisp. It was really good. It wasn't like on a healthy side, but it was still really really good. I also made some black sesame cookies. I felt like I want to be back. I don't know if I will be able to film a lot, but actually a lot of trips are coming up this year in 2026. South Korea, Munich, then I will travel to Brussels, Ireland also. Definitely vlogs from that period of time coming up. So yeah, now I feel like I want to do a little dinner because I just arrived after my work. I feel a little stupid, a little rushed, because I don't really know what to talk about. I have no any plans regarding YouTube, regarding basically everything. I'm just a girl. I'm just working my full-time job, and I'm just doing things. I'm just sometimes filming, sometimes cooking, sometimes learning something new. I'm not setting up any expectations, anything. It's just me, and it's just how I do things, and you're welcome to just join me. Accidentally bought silken tofu, which is not like regular hard tofu, so I've been like wondering what should I do with that. So it's called heiyako. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's basically silken tofu without anything. You don't have to cook it, you don't have to do anything. It's just like a block of tofu, and on the top there's like soy sauce, some green onion. So we're gonna try to do that. Yeah, actually today my dinner is like super effortless. Just cut everything that I had in the fridge: tomatoes, cabbage, spinach, edamame. Then this is like Greek yogurt with some spices and some crab sticks. I actually have also sweet potato. 2 tablespoons. This actually looks so nice, but like zero effort. I just tossed sweet potato inside, and I'm just gonna mix everything together, and I don't care. So my dinner looks really simple. It's just a salad from everything I have in the fridge, some kimchi, pickled radish, and just a tofu that you don't even have to cook. I actually received a skincare package a few days ago. It's a spot cover patch from Skin 1004, serum from Beauty of Choson. Actually, with this thing, I've never seen my skin glow so much. Like, I was genuinely shocked. Like, after 2 uses, my skin just wow. And my regular Doctor cleanser, I'm using that for like 2 years already, so I'm buying like once in a few months. It actually lasts very long. SPF, because my SPF is running out. It's also from Beauty of Choson. Dates are my obsession. Had my dinner, now I'm drinking black coffee. Recently I stopped drinking coffee with sugar and also with milk. This is my sugar. This is my sugar. There is something I wanted actually to tell you guys. You don't have to really follow a specific structure, a Pilates workout, or like a very strict gym session. Sometimes actually you have to feel your body. Just let yourself breathe the way you want without like rushing, without counting seconds. Right now, for example, I did 30 minutes. I tried to do for 30 minutes a Pilates workout, but it was actually too fast for me. I decided to just see what the girl is doing, just pick some movements that I still want to do, but at my own pace. And then I just stretched a little bit. I did my own strength training that I wanted to do, like for my legs, for my abs. And sometimes you have to allow yourself just to dance around, just to stretch, just to feel actually your body. Now it actually feels like a very productive training, and right now I realize some of my gym sessions were not that productive as I feel today. I'm gonna go shower and prepare myself for bedtime.
This moment one.
I just arrived from work and it's almost 5 p.m. and actually I bought this shirt today. I think it looks cute. I'm having my black coffee together with the dates, and my friend actually made these cookies. They are so thick, they are so moist, they are so good. Absolutely amazing. Cutie.